Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desti Fatmawati. Here I will describe the building. This is a theater stack building. This space often used to practice by art children. The place is in the front yard of the Muhammadiyah Kotabumi campus. Here there are very shady trees with thick leaves. Not only one or two trees, but many trees. And tree is grass around here close to the parking lot and the rectorate building. There is a closed car park. The atmosphere here is a little crowded and there are female students sitting on the stack. There is a tree with leaves because it is with them the other leaves and there are flowers on the side of the road to the lecture building. There are small leaves that are near the theater building where there are students talking. Actually a little dangerous because there are clouds that pass, so it will be very dangerous if it rains and the wind is strong if there is a fallen tree. And there is a Basuma radio building there. There are students sitting and relaxing. Let's go there. This is the Basuma radio building here. Usually students from Muhammadiyah Kotabumi University do radio broadcast in front of the radio. There is a saw rock and several motor bikes in front of here. There are also students. Let's go there. Hey, what's your name?
I'm happy.
What are you doing here?
I will take a signal too.
Good luck, see you soon. And there are students and college students who are doing a reading project together or a book bazaar. There are lots of books and over there is a student lecture building and it looks like they are putting together books there. Next to the Basuma radio building there is a Moscow building. Let's go there. Usually, this place is used by us as Muslim to fulfill our obligation as Muslim and can be asked for place of study or some pray on others. Near the mosque, there are people who are selling ice. Let's say hello to the seller. Hi, uncle. There is a black car and building for oration and ablution. Hi Ilman, what are you doing here?
Gak ada.
See you Ilman. The building is white and yellow, has many windows, and it contains carpet for prayer. This building leads to west because of the Qibla. Muslims are Muslim to the west. It looks like this building already looks old because judging from the color of the building, it has started to fade, but the mosque looks neat and looks comfortable and spacious. In front of the mosque there is a tree that is not too big. Hi Merida. Hi Sabila. Hi guys. And next to the mosque there is a motorbike parking lot for students and college students. In the past, the parking lot was located inside the campus, and now it is outside to make it look neater and nicer to see. Today's parking lot is very crowded because many students are learning offline or face-to-face different, and there are some touring trash, but unfortunately here there is no cover to protect the heat from the sun, so every student motorbike is exposed to the heat of the sun and rain. And in front of the mosque there is a student sitting. Let's go there to sit down.
Ya tes ya.
And currently I'm sitting in front of the mosque, taking shelter from the hot sun. The atmosphere during the day is quite busy with students passing by. Hi Putri. What are you doing here?
I'm just sit here.
Hi April.
Guys,
What are you doing here?
I'm just sitting here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, and that's enough about my delivery for some of the buildings and atmosphere on this campus. Sorry if there are shortcomings and wrong words in my description because my English pronunciation is not fluent. That's enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.